the struggles of having a kitten. God damn it. New hat as well. And the bobble looks like he's got his own ears. Alright guys, so after that very traumatic experience of the camera falling off into the mud, getting covered in mud, and me not getting the shot that I wanted, I'm back in the car. I've cleaned up my bobblehead after the cat destroyed it, and we're now going to head down to the workshop to do the chameleon tint on the front window. So stay tuned, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like if you do like the video, and also leave a comment because you know I like replying to people's comments. I'll see you in the next clip. Right, so guys, this thing needs to come with me wherever I go because I've only filmed a couple of clips on this camera and my battery is already half dead. Good job I've got 2 spare batteries right there and my charger, but I just wanted to film this. We have got a wide body Mustang which we did most of the work on, and then we sent it off to a body shop to get sprayed and seam sealed. Well, they're not even seam sealed, it's smoothed into the body. We've got an RS5 here which is actually Danny's and currently being wrapped, a 370 that's on air which was being done last week while I was not here, so I missed out on that, and I just had to air my car out as well because 2 cars on air right next to each other looks the coolest. And we've got an RS5 and a Mustang. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off because it's itchy and my hair is probably a mess. Oh, here it is, and I've just put wet in my hair, so that makes it even worse. But the first thing I'm going to get to doing is cleaning and prepping this screen inside and out, and then, well, I'll just get to showing you the next part, I guess. So let's get to cleaning. Alright, so guys, right now, currently, obviously you just watched me clean the windscreen. I've just laid a piece of film on there. I don't know if you can see it. You can sort of see the outline of the square, like start from here to here, down to here. And as you can see, tint reader is on. We're reading 75.4 at the moment, but what I found is the longer it sits there, the more it slowly builds up. It starts off really low and it slowly builds up. I think it's something to do with the sensor on this. It might be a little bit faulty, or it might be a little bit dirty, I think, but like I say, it does slow down and it steadies off at about sort of 78%. So we're still within the legal limit, and as you can see, as of on the screen right now, we're still within the legal limit because it's almost at 76%. You only need 75 for it to be legal. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to prep the whole screen. I'm going to put some like talcum powder sort of stuff on the screen, and it stops the tint from sticking so much, and then I'm going to dry it all, and then I'm going to lay the tint on, shrink it, which I'll show you the whole process, and then we'll get to installing. Right, so guys, we're now going to get ready. I've just stripped off that side. I've moved all the bits out of the center as much as I can. I can't actually remove the mirror because there's loads of electrics behind it and it just dangles there, so I left that. I'm now going to get this side off, and then I thought I wanted to show you this because it's now settled at 77.2 with the film on 3, so we're all good there. We're still on the legal factor. So yeah, I'm going to get to putting the stuff on the front windscreen, taking this last pillar off, and then we'll get to installing. Right, so I'm now gonna install the silky sort of stuff. It's just basically a dryer towel. I'm gonna wet it, spread it all over the screen, and then dry it. You'll see what I'm gonna do right about now. Right, so I need to figure out how to use this microphone, because right now the microphone's on the front of the camera. You can probably hear that. My voice will get better when I'm here, but when I'm behind the camera it goes a little bit funny. So hopefully in post editing it will be fine. But as you just saw, done all this like chalky powdery stuff on the windows. Literally, like I say, it's just a tumble dry sheet. Wet it, smear it on the screen, dry it, make sure it's dry to the touch. You'll know when it's dry. The difference between wet and dry, you'll know. And what this does is it just allows the tint to sit on it and be moved about and squeegeed and shaped without it sticking to the window and causing problems. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to lay the film on, and well, I'll do everything that I just said I was going to do, and I'll time lapse it, hopefully, fingers crossed. My battery's still full, so we are good there. All I've got to do is keep an eye on that red light. Make sure you don't die up there. Alright guys, so that part is now done. The scariest part of the whole job is done, which is shrinking the windscreen. As you just saw, the windscreen is all shrunk. I did get to the end right here and creased the film, but luckily, as you can see from maybe that angle, this is the bottom of the tint of the sun strip. So that bit's all getting cut off anyway, so a big swift to that corner. So yeah, now it's just literally cutting around the window, making it the shape of the window, and then peeling it off, sticking it to the side of the car, prepping the windscreen and getting it installed, which is what I'm going to be doing right about now. Right, so guys, I'm trying to get you in a good angle so you can see everything that's about to happen. We've just cut around the tint. It is actually on the window. I know it doesn't look like it right now, but it is on the window. I'm going to transfer it from the window to the side of the car where it's mostly clean. That's where I'm going to peel the tint, get it on my hands, and then get it in the car. When that's on the side of the car, I'm then going to clean the front window. So I'm going to get all that done, and then I think I'm just going to time lapse the whole lot. We're going to get to installing and everything all in this one clip. Let's do it. Right, so guys, I just pulled this out and I wanted to just show you the reason why these are important. Because as I wring this out, you can probably hear all that. All that water would have been down my dash. Alright, so guys, my window is all cleaned. As you can see, it's all done, ready to go back together. No vision differences really. I mean, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. There's just a little bit of a yellow tinge along the top of the dash. Don't know why, but that's something I can put up with. I mean, doesn't look too out there in your face. You can still see through it. It's just got that little bit of a blue to it, which is what I wanted. Goes well with the wrap as well, so yeah. I'm now going to get all the side pillars back in, and I think I'm just going to hoover the whole car out. Going to give it a little blast to get rid of some of this shite down here and the shit that I'll put on the car today. But yeah, other than that, that is Chameleon Tint. Not sure how well you're going to see it, but you might see it a little bit better because I'm going to set you up on the side over there and then pull the car out into the light. Fingers crossed it stays light. Anyway, let's get to doing all them things.